Hey everyone, today we talk about Bitcoin, pump on 11 December, astrology analysis. Before I told you about what is this line, you look about this white line, 11 December, 17 April, 28 November, and the last is 8 April 2020. In this point, it's the turning point for the Bitcoin. So either just Bitcoin pump, Bitcoin down, or Bitcoin just mega sideways. In April, the accuracy of the analysis, I think almost 100%. Look, from the top bottom, it's the difference just 17%. And now the nearest date is the 11 December. In here, we have some slightly correction but continue pump. In here, look, in April, after the very dump, hit this line and then just fly. This yellow line is the Bitcoin halving, so it's not part of the analysis. If you want to curious about the full cycle of the Bitcoin, okay, let's jump. Look, this is the full Bitcoin cycle since 2012. Every this white color, there is always the mega mega bullish or mega downtrend. Look, this one, and if you are asking what is this, is the Mercury sextile Jupiter. So in the astrology, in here there are so many like Venus square Pluto, Venus sextile Jupiter. But I'm doing my research and the accuracy is exactly that we need to using Mercury sextile Jupiter. So this is the Mercury sextile Jupiter. I'm using the weekly chart, but if you want to look the exact day, I will put in the comment section in this video. Let's zoom in again. Look, since the 20 and 19, yeah, look, the accuracy is almost perfect, yeah. In here, so we have this pump and we dump, and next in here we dump again, and in here since the February January 2019 is so bullish, starting bullish exactly at this time, bullish, and then after hit this one and going sideways and down and just pump again after this. So this is the near the halving. And then what's next in April? Look, it's very perfect. It is the all-time high, and you see if we zooming, the nearest date is this week. I don't say that this week gonna be pump exactly and 11, maybe plus minus several days. Okay, if we zoom like this day in today daily, look, the difference about let's zoom in. Look, yeah, but plus minus 3 days, actually the all-time best in 14 April, but the event is 17 April. But it's no issue. Why? Because if we using this chart, we need to play the long-term game. You cannot play just the 1 week, 2 week, because this is the mega bullish and this is the mega sideways. And what's next? Yeah, of course, I think in my last video I say to you that we are in the strong support. That's why 11 December is gonna be the turning point for the Bitcoin. After this day, plus minus several days, Bitcoin gonna pump. If you still curious why we use astrology and others, okay, later I will tell you about the detail. But what I'm telling you right now, because in the gold future, the whales using the astrology to analyze this. That's why there is a astrology finance, astrology analysis. And you know that whales from the gold just move to the crypto. They play crypto. That's why they are implementing gold for the future market, for the astrology analysis, and they implemented it into Bitcoin. That's why I'm said to you that we are nearest to very close to the turning point. So if your portfolio is minus 10%, 20%, 50%, no, don't sell it. Why? Because I think we are near the bottom. After this cycle, we're gonna pump again. Exactly same like the 17th April. Look, same like 28th November. Everything is the turning point. I didn't say that like the November. Okay, the bullish start in November. No, it's possible that the bullish starting in the September. It cannot analyze the very detailed where to buy. It analyzes the major trend, the monthly, the yearly trend. At least I think 6 months. That's why in here, I think even if you draw this very short like this is can costly about 1 month chart into this range because it's the daily. Okay, so the idea is you need to know and to learn about the Mercury sextile Jupiter. This is the very good analysis. I didn't say that the accuracy is 100%, but it's almost 100% to analyze the gap. Okay, so maybe there are two important date for now is about the Mercury sextile Jupiter and also the Bitcoin halving starting in here. If you are following Bitcoin halving date in the May, you miss. But if you following the Mercury sextile Jupiter in 8 April, at least you can buy cheaper. That's why instead of that there is an important date. Look, we are the very strong support of the EMA 55 with in the blue color. So if we can hold this support and then we can just pump. There are two main events to pump. It's about EMA 55 in the blue one and then Mercury sextile Jupiter. There is more that I want to talk about the astrology impact, but later it's about the full moon theory and new moon theory. Yeah, I'm playing gold for the long time and I'm using gold for analysis full moon and new moon in the gold, and it's very impacted for the gold. Is yeah, whales using that. If you don't believe in the astrology, I think it's same. In the first time, I didn't believe on the astrology, but yeah, since the whales create this role, then we just follow it. It's same. Like why 1 plus 1 is 2? Why not 1 plus 1 is 3? Yeah, because there is uh, some guidance, some education, and some proven that say that 1 plus 1 is 2, right? It's same like the astrology. It's like that. If you didn't eat for 2 days, you're gonna be hungry. Why? Yeah, because that's the nature of law. Same like the astrology, like that. Or for the maybe some of you said that this is the fulfill self propensity. So maybe like you create the important date where everyone is agree. Yeah, it's possible. But even if that this is the fulfill propensity by their self, but they have the date. The date is using the Mercury sextile Jupiter. That's why let's buy and let's sell following the whales. We are the retails, we are not the whales. The one who have the money, the one who make the market maker is the whales. That's why it's very important for us to find the secret. Yeah, I know that my follower now is very low, but reminder, today on the day 6 December 2021, I'm the first one who make this video about Mercury sextile Jupiter. So if there is other YouTuber that tell about Mercury sextile Jupiter, yeah, I think I'm the first one because I'm a researcher. I think nobody talk about this. Okay, let's wait for the few months from few weeks I think, yeah, from now, and let's see the progress about Mercury sextile Jupiter because in the next year, look, there are three main days for the Mercury sextile Jupiter in the 2020 April, 20 May, and 20 June. I think this gonna be the peak of the market cycle Bitcoin, but we don't know whether this one, or this one. But please be reminded, These 3 days gonna be the range where the market cycle peak before the big crash. That's why later I will keep update you on the weekly update for the Bitcoin of using this analysis and we can see. But I'm pretty sure that in this circle, I told you that this gonna be the super pump. Okay, just be note. I told you there's gonna be a very big pump after 11 December. Trust me. 100k Bitcoin, it's very possible. It's very easy in the very yeah. I'm very confident later. Okay, that's for today. See you next time.